Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we're exploring how to create a business email campaign image using Super Zoom in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and design an email-safe canvas. I place the image and pause. Emails need clarity instantly. I convert the layer to Smart Object. I open Camera Raw and apply Super Zoom gently. I reduce noise and smooth transitions. I zoom into important areas. I protect text zones with masking. I slightly lower zoom because simplicity works best in business emails. I zoom out and imagine this email opening. Clean.